If you want to share full 30 seconds reels on Instagram story, although it isn't officially possible to share reels of more than 15 seconds on Instagram story, but I will tell you in this video how you can share full reels on Instagram story on iPhone or Android. By following the method I'm explaining you to step by step, you can share someone's long reel or your own reel on Instagram stories. Let's start the video. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to Technology World Hasib and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Technology World Hasib, like the video, share the video and be sure to express your opinion in the comments section. Thanks.